Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can chat with the new Meta AI on WhatsApp. You can now chat with AI on WhatsApp to get some of your problems solved on WhatsApp while you're actually using WhatsApp. So guys, this feature is actually cool and it's a new feature on WhatsApp where you can actually chat with AI and you get your results and what you're looking for. So guys, want to know how to do it, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take is to tap on your WhatsApp. So let me tap on my WhatsApp to open it. So guys, once your WhatsApp opens up, what you have to do now is to tap on the Meta AI icon. You can see it there. It's at three places. You can see the first one here on the right hand side, the second one there on the left hand side, and the third one there at the top where it is written Ask Meta AI or search. So guys, let me tap on one of it. Let me tap on this one on the right hand side. So guys, now you can see what is written here, Ask Meta AI anything. So with this feature now on WhatsApp, you can actually get answers to any question that you ask while you're using your WhatsApp. So guys, let me ask a question right away. Let me ask this question: who is the richest man in the world? So let me ask it right away. Who is the richest man in the world? So guys, now you can see I've asked the question. So what I have to do now is to send it. Let me tap on send. So guys, what you have to do now is to wait for a few seconds so that the Meta AI can respond. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, you can see it has responded. You can see the response, you can see the answer. As of April 1st, 2024, the richest man in the world is Bernard Arnault with a net worth of 231 billion. Arnault is the chairman and CEO of LVMH and the largest luxury goods company in the world. LVMH includes brands such as Louis Vuitton, NSC, Marc Jacobs and Sephora. So guys can also see that it gave us a link and a reference that we can also use to study further. So guys, now this way you can actually chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp to get any question answered for you while you're actually using your WhatsApp. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.